Welcome back. A very good morning to all of you in Mumbai, all those who are in different parts of India, and of course, my friends who are overseas who will be looking at this video, watching this video at some point of time or the other. Now, in my quest and endeavor continuously to bring you new and unique topics each morning, I bring you something very simplistic, easy to understand, but unique. I call that stay away from toxins. Now, there is a deep truth inside of you that has been waiting for you to discover. And that truth is you deserve all the good things in your life. So, when you deserve all the good things in your life that life has to offer, why are you focused and hell bent on the negatives? To deserve good things in life, stay positive all the time. Let your rhythm, vibrations, and energy be in alignment. I keep telling you to bring your rhythm back in energy. Play music, play instrumental music, your meditation music, for your vibrations to be in alignment. Pray, meditate, for your energy to be in alignment. Visualize, focus on that desire. The books you read, it what makes you. The movies you see is what makes you. The news you follow is what makes you. Remember, at the beginning of this 2-month period, I kept telling all of you no posting anything for the virus in groups. Because the more you post it, the more energy you are giving to that particular virus. And that is what you don't want. Now, instead, focus on solutions. Keep away from negative thoughts, words, and actions. Keep away from negative people. Keep away from people who bring you stress in your life. Keep away from people who are not progressive in their mind. Keep away from them. You've got a choice. By being part of such a group, what you are doing is you are allowing more negativity to seep into your life. And that's not what you're made for. You're made for bigger things in life. You're made for positivity. You're made for achieving your desires. You will always have negative people around you all the time. Whether you want to be part of that conversation, dialogue, monologue is up to you. That is the choice you make. You will know exactly how to detect them. They will use negative words all the time. Their ideas are very negative. They are not progressive in their mind. They don't think progress. They press the rewind button very often. You will always see them complaining. When they are not happy as individuals, they would ensure and like you also not to be happy. And this is the bottom line. This is the truth. They like to have company of their own state of mind. Don't let negative people bring you down. Stay miles away from them and do the above with faith, feelings, and focus. Thank you for watching this video, folks. Do like, subscribe, and press the icon bell to receive future notifications as I'm coming up with a lot more videos on a myriad of topics. Thank you for watching again. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay indoors, and God bless you. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.